Hello students, today we are going to see the topic pair of linear equations in two variables. Degree must be 1. What is degree? Degree is nothing but highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable in the equation. Okay, that's called as degree. Now, in a linear equation, pair of linear equations in two variables. So what is the general form of the linear equation in two variables? Is ax, general form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0. So this is the general form of a linear equation in two variables, where we have x and y are two variables, a, b and c are real numbers. This is called as a linear equation in two variables. Now we are going to see pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. For example, I take a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Always when we draw the linear equations on a Cartesian plane, for example, I have x-axis, y-axis, x dash and y dash. Okay, so whenever we draw a linear equation on the Cartesian plane, it will be always a straight line. A linear equation is always a straight line on the graph on a Cartesian plane, right? So suppose if you are drawing one more linear equation, okay, either the equation, the another straight line, that is another linear equation, intersect the previous line at one point, okay, or the other possibility is they can be parallel lines. If you draw two linear equations, they can be parallel lines. If you have the axis like this, x, y, x dash and y dash, if you have first linear equation and the other line may coincide with the same line, okay, so first case is either they are intersecting lines or they are parallel lines or they are coincident. Okay, so in this three cases we have in pair of linear equations in two variables. So this means you have lines like this. This you have two parallel lines, and the other one maybe the coincident lines. Okay, L and M both are this. L, M, L, M. Okay, now on comparing the ratios, if the linear equation is given, how to compare the ratios and find out whether they are intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 is the first equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is the second equation. On comparing the ratio, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, okay, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. For example, I have x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So my a1 is 1 and a2 is 2. My b1 is 1 and b2 is 3. Both are not equal. Okay, so first a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by, the ratios are not equal. So if the ratios are not equal, then we can say that this has unique solution and they are intersecting lines. So intersecting lines has unique solution. Okay, that means it will be like this. Now the second condition is, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to C1 by C2. So if all the three ratios are equal, A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 are all equal, for example, x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0, 2x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so if I divide now, take the ratios 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, and this 2 and 4 if I cancel also, I'll get 1 by 2. So all the three are equal. Then the equations that has such ratios are having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions means they are coincident lines. The lines are coincident. That means it looks like this. Last condition is if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but it is not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, for example, 2x minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0, 10x minus 25y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now in this case if we divide this, 2 by 10, 5 by 25, sorry, minus 5 by minus 25 and 3 by 5. Now if I cancel this, I get 1 by 5, minus minus cancel, 1 by 5, this is 3 by 5. So 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 5 but not equal to 3 by 5. Okay, so first 2 is equal but that is not equal to C1 by C2. So such ratio, no solution. They have no solution. The linear equations that has such ratio has no solution. That means the lines are parallel. So it looks like this. Okay. So the linear equations in two variables, pair of linear equations in two variables we have seen today. That is, three cases are possible when I draw graphically the pair of linear equations. One is intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. Intersecting lines has unique solution, parallel lines has no solution, and coincident lines has infinitely many number of solutions. Now this intersecting lines and coincident lines, they are said to be consistent. Okay, and parallel lines, that means no solution, they are inconsistent. Okay, so that's all for today's classes. Thank you.